You know, we get the truck today at class, you know. So you know there's something go. It's a blessed day, man. Commercial driving. Jamaica Yard Life 101. Like, share and subscribe. Check Sparrow, Moffat. Yeah, man. Blessings every time, you know. Jaja blessings. Poor, I tell you. Sparrow, it's not normal. The man there up on the go, you know. Like a walk and look on the cold skiff. Sparrow same. I match up a little work, you know, it's something go. But we keep it discreet, can't show no where I go. We just there plum tree.
Yeah, man, the big boss apart.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Yard Life 101.
You don't know.
Blessings,
Father like son.
Blessings. Where we go from here, so but we don't see what go on. Let's eat sometime, you know.
Kill about me upon a big spliff on Jamaica one.
Proper. See, man, look. Blessings, man. We're in the countryside, you know. East St. Thomas. Yeah. Just go look on the coal skill and I try to in back.
Look on the coals and...
Yeah, man. You see a whole heap of beast about. Yeah, man, I go in there. I go in there, yes. And boy, I take it on. I go in there at sea. Go in a hot seat, huh?
That's a rush it, man. Chuck a go, burn a neutral, then 5. You see? No rush them in there. Now we're going. If you're going to use it, and you name music club?
I just catch it here. We still not get familiar with it. Nice, my boy, man. What you doing?
If it's slope,
yeah,
man. Higher game, must go lower game.
Drive it up like you want, drive it.